Find or read reviews that people are talking about BEBISUNY Countertop Ice Maker. See illustrations with descriptions. We will present some outstanding or some interesting features. Because the product you're watching right now is new, and we're one of the first sites that is presenting this product. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Why you should choose this product. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Transparent design. The evaporative chamber of our ice maker machine features a transparent casing, allowing you to observe the ice making process in real time. Witness the mesmerizing transformation of water into ice as it progresses through each stage. Fast ice maker. The ice maker only takes 6 minutes to make 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes. Fill 1 liter of water into the water tank. Maximum ice capacity can reach 26 pounds in 24 hours. 2 sizes of ice cubes. You can make 2 different sizes of ice cubes. Small ice cubes can chill seafood and beer, keeping it fresh and cold. Large ice cubes are more suitable for beverages to achieve a rapid cooling effect. Easy to control. The control panel is very easy to operate. Fill the ice maker with water, press the on button, select the size of the ice cubes, and that's it. When the water is insufficient or the ice basket is full, the indicator light will turn on. Quiet and user-friendly. When the ice cube maker making ice cubes, the noise is lower than 45 decibels, similar to a working refrigerator. The transparent lid allows you to monitor the ice capacity. The sensor automatically detects when ice is full and stops producing to prevent overflowing. Self-cleaning and portable. BEBISUNY Ice Maker machine is portable and efficient with size of 8.9 x 10.6 x 11.4 inches. Press the on/off button for 5 seconds to start the self-cleaning process. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.